Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to write N0 in Excel. Start by choosing whether you want a visual subscript or a true text character. If you want a simple fix, insert the Unicode subscript 0 or use char 8320 in formulas. For mixed formatting, type N0, select the 0, and apply Format Cells font subscript. Use equations or text boxes for complex formatting needs in presentations or printouts. A fast option is using the Unicode subscript 0. Just paste 0 or use equals n and char 8320 to build N0 inside formulas and concatenations. This approach preserves normal cell behavior, filters, and sorting, and it works well when you need many instances across a sheet. It also avoids font-specific limitations, since most modern fonts include the subscript 0 glyph. Use this when you want programmatic control, and for precise visual control, use format cells to make characters subscript. Type N0, highlight the 0, press Ctrl+1, and tick subscript on the Font tab. This produces a true visual subscript without altering the underlying text value, which is handy for presentation or export. Keep in mind this formatting is stored per cell and can be tedious for many cells, but it gives the cleanest typographic result for isolated labels and printed worksheets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.